Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Oculus VR headset. Oculus Light's VR headset leading technology bring in the smallest optical distortion 1.5%. Meta Universe None VR HMD monitor. Oculus Light's VR headset feeds your eyes with a crystal clear picture with more saturated and vibrant colors without making you feel any eye strain or fatigue. Enjoy high efficient working in financial data and others. The VR headset accommodates a vision range from plus 2D hyperopia to 7D myopia, and an iPad from 56mm to 72mm, and separate adjustment of each of the left and right eyes. The headset is easy to install and remove. Directly mounted on the VR headset. Providing 4,496 ppi and color superfine quality, like sitting in the center of 600-inch IMAX theater. More extraordinary 3D effect gives you immersive and realistic cinema experience. Only headset, for controller D3, please buy separately from our store. If still can't see clearly after diopter adjustment, please check your astigmatism vision. If need, please contact us for customizing astigmatism lens. Unlimited mobile entertainment. Watch movies/videos online through YouTube, Hulu, Netflix, and Amazon Prime, etc. It can be a HD display, connecting intelligent devices with the HDMI interface, like set-top box, PS4, Xbox, drone flying, 4D set, PC, Oculus controller box, smartphones. Our second best VR headset for Metaverse is Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. Oculus Quest 2 is the number one option if you're looking for a great mixture of portability, ease of use, versatility, and overall quality. As a standalone VR headset, it will provide you with an unparalleled Metaverse experience. Its lack of cables allows you to enjoy the freedom of movement that it provides. Quest 2 is Facebook's self-proclaimed Meta and Metaverse champion. Mark Zuckerberg is frequently seen wearing this headset in Meta promotional videos and articles. There's also talk of Project Nazare, a prototype for our glasses designed specifically for the Metaverse, but for the time being, Quest 2 may be the best option for Meta. The reason Quest 2 is such a great option in our opinion is because of its potent combination. You're getting a headset that can do everything: gaming, Metaverse, videos, and even high-end stuff if you get the Oculus Link cable. The disadvantage of this headset is that it must be charged and that it is not as powerful as some of the more expensive headsets on the market. However, at the moment, Quest 2 offers the best combination of qualities at a reasonable price. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is Valve Index VR headset. Valve Index is the expensive VR headset out there at the moment. But, as such, it is arguably one of the best experiences in the world that you can currently get for VR and Metaverse. The visual experience with Valve Index is simply out of this world. It has two 1440 by 1600 RGB LCDs, which provide one of the highest resolutions available today. When you combine that with a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz and a field of view of 130 degrees, you get an exceptional visual experience. If you purchase a full VR kit, you will also receive 2 speakers, ensuring that you have the best audiovisual experience currently available on the market. Valve Index also has some of the best controllers on the market right now. If you choose the Index, there's no doubt that you're getting the best of the best. Number 4 in our best VR headset for Metaverse list is Pimax Vision 8K X VR headset. Want the best resolution currently on the market? Then you can opt for the Pimax Vision 8K, which will provide you with currently the best resolution on the market. The experience of using this VR headset is simply on another level, with a combined resolution of 8K and a 200-degree FOV. Because of its high level of video quality, this headset has the potential to become your go-to device for high-end gaming as well as Metaverse use. Its graphical capabilities will allow you to experience VR in a new way, thanks to its high graphical detail and incredible FOV, which will bring VR closer to reality. If you're not sure how this type of resolution will improve your Metaverse experience, this headset is probably not worth your money. It is still one of the most expensive VR headsets available, so if you only want to experience the Metaverse and do not want to play high-end VR games, look for other options. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is HP Reverb G2 VR headset. The HP Reverb weighs around 1.1 pounds and is 2.89 inches in size. The screen comes with an LCD panel for each eye with a 2160 by 2160 resolution. These features help it offer spatial audio along with an immersive viewing experience. Realistic visuals, soundscapes, and superb performance come together to form a more immersive experience. Packaging includes HP VR headset, 6 meters headset cable for desktop and mobile PCs, 2 motion controllers, 1 display port to mini display port adapter, 1 power adapter, and easy setup instructions. Flexible material, increased cushion size, and lenses that adjust to suit different eye distances, allow you to bask in your virtual world comfortably. With 4 built-in cameras, and ergonomically designed controls, tracking more movement with the VR headset just got a whole lot easier.